Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back. And today we are talking about Pratap Snacks Limited. We will do the live analysis in front of you people. Friends, first of all, you can see I have drawn three lines: the first line, second line, and third line. Let me put the price table so that it will be easy to understand for you as well as me. Okay, so these are the three lines, three horizontal lines I have placed, and I'm going to rationale why I have placed these three lines. You can see these are the three resistances. The first resistance was 684 here, 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 here. 6 to 7 times the stock was trying to reach the level of 684, but every time stock was turning back, and when the stock turned up or able to cross the 684 level, and our horizon is always 30 minutes. If the stock is able to sustain above the resistance level for more than 30 minutes, then only we believe that the stock is going to move ahead. Otherwise the stock can come back again to the below the resistance level. So when the stock crossed 684 level, you can see the next resistance was 736. Here, here, here it was support, here it was support, here it was resistance, here it was resistance, here it was resistance, here it was resistance. So again 4 to 5 times 736 was the level of resistance here, and it was the level of support here. Because a support becomes resistance, a resistance becomes the support, and vice versa case. है ना? If a stock has crossed the resistance, then the resistance will become support from him, and if stock is falling from above, then the support will become resistance in the next time when we will try to reach the level. So support and resistance plays vice versa role. So here it was the resistance level was 736, and now the stock has crossed above the 736 level and given a closing also. So we can see that the now 736, which was playing the role of resistance earlier, now it is going to become support. So till the time the stock is able to sustain above 736 level, the stock is bound to see the new highs. And let me focus you all here. Okay, I just like to draw your attention here. What happened yesterday? Yesterday the stock started its journey from 729 and touched the high of 798. Okay, the high was 798, which was made by the stock yesterday. Okay, now I like to draw your attention to third line, which I have already placed. See, this is the resistance 806, and if I tell you, this is the second line of resistance 799. Okay, 806 and 799. Let me put the price table 799. So this is the area of resistance which stock has witnessed yesterday itself. That means the stock touched a high of 798 yesterday only, and from there it turned back to, and it has given a closing to the around 798. It has given a closing at 798, just at the resistance level. So my submission is that if tomorrow stock is able to sustain above 806 level, because that is the resistance, then the stock is going to see the new highs. Let me show you what will be the new highs for that stock. Let me just rub it out. Shift to cross. Okay, then we have to see the upward journey from here 806 level to upward journey will be started, which will lead the stock. Now I have to shift your focus here. See, this is the level 806. The stock started moving and the stock has given a move of 98. 898 was the highest point on March 19. So if the stock is able to sustain the level of 806, the stock is going to see the new highs. Maybe in tomorrow itself it can give a move of 80 to 90 points. And if at all, if we increase our horizon, 5th March, 5th March itself, 7th March it has given a move of, it has shown a move. Highest point was 924. During 3 days, start has given a move of 100 to 20 points. So again, the same scenario is going on now, and we can see that the stock is able to sustain above 806 level. Then we are going to see the new highs, not new highs, but we are going to see the earlier highs which was shown by the stock, and the stock can move up to 950 level in the days to come if our horizon is 1 week. 1 week. Okay. Otherwise, 100 to 120 point movement is possible in 3 days only. So this is our opinion, and remember, we are only expressing our opinion. We are not at all recommending anything, or we are not at all providing any kind of tip to you. You are supposed to consult to your financial advisor before doing anything. We are here to express our opinion. Thank you. Regards.